guys, happy weekend. I'm in my home just watching beautiful Sydney, a nice warm day. We've got Harbour Bridge, Opera House. By the way, if you're in Sydney, you know Vivid's on. So we've got the Vivid Festival that started last night. It's going to be there for another 3 weeks. But today I really want to talk about something really important actually. And it is something that I'm very proud of. It's something that I've built over the years in my practice. It's something that I've honed, and it's something that I teach to all my diploma participants, my alumni, and it is the importance of maintaining immaculate orthodontic or even dental records. Okay, so having really your notes, your case records, your notes, your analysis tidy at all times. So one of the biggest thing I will tell you in maintaining immaculate dental and orthodontic records is actually noting everything, every conversation at every appointment. Now, I know you might think, oh, I don't have the time to write records, but this is invaluable. You must put aside at least 5 minutes after every patient to go yourself and tidy up every note, every conversation that happened. Don't miss anything. For example, even if the patient expressed disappointment or needed extra reassurance or had any objections, list them down. Every conversation with the patient at each appointment, the key points should be recorded in your case notes. That is number one. I'm telling you how happy you'll be one day. If there's any disagreements, you can go back to your notes. You can have a look at what was discussed and what was a quick summary of it all. This has really helped me a lot, especially in orthodontic treatments, where they go on for a long time, right? Orthodontic treatments go on for months and years, and goals change, patients' life changes, our philosophies change, our practice protocols change. So it's a good way to realign yourself with the patient at each time point and have conversations about their treatment goals. So number one, what you've just learned is no conversation should go missing in your case net records or case notes for the day for that patient. Okay, number one. Number two, I would say, is basically record even things like emails, SMSs, in your software, in your system. So for example, often we communicate with our patients at the appointment. We communicate via SMS, via emails. So don't have like untidy, sort of unorganized various areas here. What I want you to do is always import all your emails, all your SMSs into your main case notes. Okay, so all communications, even regarding appointment history, appointment rescheduling, they're really important. Okay, it kind of shows the commitment of a patient in making appointments, keeping them, and many other things. So do that. Okay. And finally, I'd say is taking really good records, diagnostic records. So taking good photographs, I'd say at least every 3 months for most orthodontic patients. Taking x-rays maybe at a 12-month time point, maybe a bit longer, maybe at finish. But having really good diagnostic sound records that show occlusion and changes at all times, okay? So you cannot... you have no idea if you use this standard operating protocol for pretty much all your orthodontic patients. When disagreements rise, when things go a bit off track, you will be so happy that you followed this protocol. So trust me, guys, in my last 1,000 patients, one thing I'm really proud of is how medical legally sound I am in terms of my forms, my communication, my tidiness, my records, my recorded extensive conversations with patients in the case notes for that day. So I'm very proud of that, because whenever disagreements rise, and they do rise, okay, they do rise. Let's not live in a utopian world where they don't. When they do, you have all of that to fall back on, and it will really save you a whole lot of hassle. It will save you, it will help you defend yourself too, right? We as practitioners also try to always do the right thing by the patients, but sometimes the patients don't perceive it as that. So it's also going to save you the hassle of trying to prove to someone, and you really have that all in record, and it'd be no hassle if somebody was disagreeing and, for example, went forward with a complaint. You have immaculate records, notes, history, how everything was discussed, how you handled it. Key points to remember, guys. So thank you for watching. See you all soon with my next tip. Bye. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to finish this live video. I don't know how to finish it.